What you doing? What are you laying down so weird for? Looks like some sort of scat droppings right there. I don't know what they're... Don't know. She was laying down weird. Oh, heck. Hey. Get out of the water. Come on. There we go. Oh, one little fish. Did you hurry up, Molly, and swim so I can fish a little bit? Oh, goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. That thing is tiny. That is... I don't even know. I don't even know how it got the hook in its mouth. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Boop. Boop. One last one. Oh, there we go. Bye-bye. Boop. Missed that one. Come here. They ain't listening. Hey. Yeah, hey. Come here. Oh, that's a pretty big one right there. Boop, boop, boop. Hey. Come here. Come on. Come here. There we go. Go back up here. Since they're wanting to be explorers. Let me try to walk up to this other hole up here, see if I can't catch something. This creek is slick. Pretty big feather down there. Don't know what from. This is the spot I'm looking for. Okay. Whew, whew. Slipped. All right, let's see if I can get hung up. Oh, they're chasing it. Do y'all mind? Oh, heck. Hey. Go swim somewhere else. I'm fishing. I'm fishing. I'm fishing. Daddy's fishing. Let's see here. Kind of hot today. Had a little rain this morning. I think it made it pretty humid. Ah, heck, come on now. This is pretty much what happens when I fish. If you can get under that rock, it's usually pretty good. It's hard to do though. Oh, there we go. Got one. Woohoo! Quit it. Hey, 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 hey. Open wide. Open up. What do you think, Molly? What do you think? Kisses for the fishy? Kisses for the fishy? Boop. What am I doing squatting down? I could be sitting. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a whole new level of comfort. Oh my goodness. Perfect, perfect. Ah, right at the very end. Crikey. It's so hard to get under that rock. But I think that's where the fish hang out. There we go. Descend it. Oh, there's a couple. Let's see if there's anything over here. More leafy over here, I don't know. Oh, oof. My hooks were messed up. That's okay. Oh, look at you two. Just some good dogs. They're like, why don't you let us swim? That was a beautiful cast. Oh, I'm counting it. Oof. About got one underneath my feet. Oh, oof. We are so close to losing this thing, it's not even funny. There we go. Ooh. There we go. That's a good one. Missed one. Oh my word, that thing was huge. Seemed like he hit it when it was going slower. Ooh. I think they like it a little slower in this one. Yep, they like it slower. Heck yeah. Alright, don't poke me now. Ah. Hey, settle, settle. Ooh, careful, Molly. Come on, fishy, let me have my hook back. This thing is all messed up. Yeah, I know. In the tarnation. Sorry, it's probably right in his face there. There we go. Maybe, hopefully. Golly. That's why I don't like treble hooks that much. Let's try to get, there we go. Now we got her figured out. Okay. Whoop. Sorry, fishy. Wash my hand. Oh, still got him. Still got him. Ah! Ooh. Okay. He counts. Uh-oh. This one could be fun. Oh my gosh, I've got a fish. Okay, okay, this is expert level. Oh. Okay, round two. There we go, a little better. Man, if you don't get it in the right spot for these fish, they just don't go after it. Crud. Let's see if I can recreate that a little bit. Oh! That was kind of cool. There we go. Ooh, that's a decent sized one. Stay on there. Stay on there. Yes, sir. Hopefully you didn't. Oh yeah, you're just barely on there. Okay, sweet. Good looking fish. Uh-oh. Hey. Alright. That's probably going to be it for the creek fishing. Just thought I'd hit a couple holes and show y'all that y'all can go. I mean, this is private property, but I mean, if you find a little creek like this somewhere in public or side of a road or whatever, you can go out there and you can catch fish. I mean, have a good time. Look like an idiot when you try to cast when it gets on that little ring right there. I mean, it's a great time. But yeah, go out there and try to find these little spots. Take you a fishing pole in your truck or your car, some tackle, and it doesn't take much to go catch a few fish. I mean, this was probably 30, 40 minutes, something like that. And or if you know someone that has a creek like this, you can ask them, see if they'll let you go fishing. But yeah, I hope y'all had a good day and hope this was some sort of entertainment for you. And I appreciate y'all watching.